Hey Ted, so let's cover now the menu item. I saw that you checked already how to change the what we call the meta title. So when you go in there, main menu here, if you click on home, I saw that you changed here in page display option. You changed the browser page title. So here, this is a really important criteria for a search engine. So here you really want to put some keywords in there related to your page. So here on the home page, this is the reason I've added myself help for bullied kids. Because like if a kid is looking for help and he's not he doesn't know your website, it's probably not gonna Google bullying ends here, right? And he may not find your website easily on Google, but he may Google instead help for kids being bullied or help for bullied kids, and this is the reason I've added those keywords. So you do whatever you want, right? That's your own website, but search engine wise, it's better to have keywords related to what people are searching and what's that really reflects what your page is about. So here we're talking about the home page, but it could be something different. It could be, for example, I click on tab, for example, here. If I go in, oh, that's an alias. So sorry, it's not the right example. That story here. Page display option. Here we don't have anything. I would highly recommend putting something. So your tab mailman, founder of bullying ends here, for example. Here it's gonna give you probably more visibility on Google. I mean, that's just an option, right? That could be time consuming to find the right keywords for the right title, but I could really help you. And same thing for the metadata option here. It's gonna give you some stuff, but apparently you probably put that yourself. So I think you understood perfectly what it's about. So here, basically, normally you don't have to change the menu items, right? They are already linked to what you need. So all the menu items here at the top, you don't have to change them. However, maybe you want to add a new item at some points. So how to add new items? Basically, you just click on create a new one. So you create a new items here. Let's say we want to link this item to a new page you just created. So let's go there, select. This is the menu item type. So here, because we use the K2 component, we want to link this menu item to a K2 items. So we're gonna click on there, and here we're gonna select the item. So we're gonna click on select. Here we've got the list of our items. I don't know, let's take an example. We want to create new menu items to link that will be linked to Alberta resources. So we're going to click there on Alberta. The menu title will be called resources in Alberta. Status published, access public, menu location in the main menu. Otherwise, if you choose any other menu, it won't show up here. It won't show up here. It's just the other one are just system menus, basically, that you won't have to use them. And the parent item, that's really important. That's where your item will show up. If you don't do anything, it's gonna show up at the very top level, meaning it's gonna be here. It's gonna showing up here, right here at the top. Now, maybe what we want is resources in Alberta. We want to have it, I don't know, just for the example, I'm gonna show it up under contact, right? Contact here. Let me put resources. There you go. And everything else you don't really need to change it. Of course, the page display option you can always change it, and metadata option as well. We're gonna click on save. And now if I refresh the page, so here you see the contact page, there's no submenu item. If I refresh it, now there's a little arrow, because if I go there, you see resource in Alberta is showing up now. If I click on there, then I'm landing to the K2 items called Alberta, which lists the resources in Alberta. So this is just an example, right? If you want to create a new menu item, that's, I mean, obviously you won't use this feature like on a daily basis, but I mean, it's good to know it. Okay, so let's close this. I'm just gonna remove the menu item here. Trash. There you go. So this is just for menu items. Now, what can I cover? I think we've got like lots of stuff covered. Oh, let's say if you want to add a new video, for example, because it's not maybe straightforward. Let's go in K2 items, and let's say we want like let's look for the media pages, media and words. I'm gonna click on this. So this particular page is a little bit specific. I had to use like very particular coding to display everything properly. So it doesn't look like it, but it's if you switch to the HTML view, so it means like clicking on this stuff, source code editor. If I click there, I'm switching to what we call HTML. Okay, so that's the HTML coding. Basically, whenever you're typing something in there, it's gonna, like, the editor is gonna convert it into HTML. So let's say you want to add a new video. Okay, here they are all images. Right. So what I've done first is I've taken a screenshot of your video you're in. So you need first to do a screenshot of your video, then you need to, resize it approximately to you need to resize it to, I think it's like 300 pixel wide and around 250 or 200 pixel high. It doesn't really matter the height and the width, because it's gonna be resized automatically by the program, by the coding I've done. So we just want to have some normal proportion for a picture, and then the only thing you need to do is just link this video to the actual video that you like, right? So to do this, let's create a new image, for example. We're gonna insert an image by clicking there, insert edit image on this icon. And let's say I have let's say I want a single page newspaper television here. So first of all, if you don't have if you have an image on your website, you want to upload it in there, the only thing you need to do is you go in the folder and you click on here, upload. And here you just drop the file there and click on upload. And then it's gonna be on the server. Then when it's on the server, you can choose any of those videos. So let's click on this one, for example, just an example. I click on insert. Okay. But here you see it's not the same size. It's not the same size because it's not wrapped up into the right HTML tag. So it's a little bit technical, but it's not that hard to understand. We just need to tweak a little bit the HTML coding here. So let's switch to HTML mode. We're gonna look for the video I've just added. Alright, so that's the. So here you see that's the video I've just added here. And the reason it's not showing up properly is because it's not wrapped up. There's no this tag here, they're not showing up. So we just need to copy this tag width 300 and height 169. Actually, I'm not gonna bother you with this. But you can totally do that like with the graphic view. So if you click on this, just forget about the HTML coding, sorry that. Just click on this, click on the image icon, and here dimension, just type 300 by 168. I mean it's being resized automatically, and then just click update. And now we got like something. I mean it doesn't look good, but it will look good on the website. And now when you click on this, you're gonna link it. So we're gonna link this to the actual video of the site, of the YouTube, for example. So here, let's say we're typing like youtube.com/video blah 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 blah. That's gonna be the URL of your video. Okay. And now you want to target open a new window. You're gonna click on pop-up here. Pop-up type, you're gonna choose GCE media box pop-up. Pop-up icon, you're gonna select no. And media type, you're gonna click on YouTube video. Very important. And dimension, I guess I've put 800 by 600. Click on insert. And now you see like it's been resized automatically because it's a link now. And then now if I click on yes, save, now you're gonna have like a new video. That's as simple as this. So I mean, if you have any question, you can just let me know. But it's pretty straightforward once you've done it once. Okay, so let's remove this one. I have the newspaper. That's practically the same, but you need to convert first the PDF document. So I'm not gonna cover through this topic because that's like completely outside of the like website edition. But basically, you can just link any image that you've created to a PDF document, right? So the only thing you need to do is just click on, like, select the image, click on link, and then you just link it to the PDF document. So right now, this link, like this image, is linking directly to the website, all right? But if it's not working, I've created a PDF, and if people click here, that's another link. If you click there, you see that the link is the PDF document. So basically, if you want to have an image and you want just to create to link it to a PDF document, you just click on the image, click on the link, and here you're gonna browse the server basically for the PDF document. So click on browse, and you're looking for example, newspaper here, and you're looking for your PDF document. If you don't have it already on the server, to upload it, very simple, just click here, upload. You drag and drop your PDF document in there from your Windows browser or Mac browser, and then upload, and it's going to be on the server. Alright, what else? I think that's pretty much it. Then there's like really technical, like not technical, but very specific. I mean, if you want to change your contact form and stuff like this, it's a little bit more technical. So if you really need to do that, just let me know, and I'll do like a specific tutorial on that. But I guess with what I've told you, you can probably edit like 95% of your website now. Alright, thank you, Ted.